So, sa Kaiser Long-Term Care, dito sa hierarchy, 3 na yung ina-address niya. So, sa Kaiser, may healthcare and short-term and long-term care, may protection and life insurance, at may investment. So, ang Kaiser is 3-in-1. Pag sinabi mong Kaiser, tatandaan nyo lang po is 720. 7 years ka lang pong magbabayad at 20 years kang insured. Pag-usapan naman natin yung K75 Kaiser Plan. Yung benefit at maturity or on the 20-year. Okay? Ang long-term care benefit ng K75 Kaiser Plan is 75,000. Guaranteed yan. Mayroon din pong long-term care benefit guaranteed if you don't use your annual benefit limit during the 7 years is 262,500. Mayroon naman pong unused accumulated yearly health benefits. Projected value is 202,312. At mayroon pong unused accumulated yearly health bonus. Projected value of 334,814. Okay? So, pag-usapan natin yung summary ng K75 Kaiser Plan. Okay? Ang long-term care benefit mo is guaranteed 75,000. Kanina yung sinabi ko na. Ang long-term care bonus mo, guaranteed if annual benefit limit was not used during the 7 years, 262,500. Unused accumulated yearly health benefits, 202,312. Unused accumulated yearly health bonus, 334,814. Ang total benefit mo, projected value is 874,626. Magkano naman ang iyong contract price pag K75 Kaiser Plan? Ang annual mo is 44,116 per annum na binabayaran mo. Pwedeng magbayad ng per annum, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly. So ito assume na annual. So times 7 years, magkano ang iyong total contract price for 7 years? 308,813 pesos. Kung titignan mo sa total benefit mo, upon maturity, times 2, mahigit times 2. So, your money is working for you. Di ba? Napakaganda. So, pag-usapan natin, yung K75 Kaiser Plan, projected value at the age of 60 and 65. Di ba? Kasi, di ba, kumikita sa compounding interest. Okay? Assuming you are 30 years old now and you get K75 Kaiser Plan, magkano ang projected value niya at the age of 60? At the age of 60 po, 2.2 million plus ang projected value niya. Pag hindi mo pa rin kinuha yan at the age of 60, nagko-compound interest po yan, kumikita annual, 3 to 10% per annum. At the age of 65, magkano ang projected value? 3.6 million plus. Okay? Good number for retirement? Good amount for retirement? Yes. Magkano contract price mo lang sa K75 Kaiser Plan? Magkano? 44,116 per annum times 7 years is 308,813. Kung titignan mo at the age of 65, no? Nag-times 10 yung pera mo. Good or very good investment? Siyempre, very good investment.